Hello friends, I wanted to share this recipe with you. I went to a function tonight and they had this popcorn and it was so good. I shouldn't have tried it because now I ate a bunch of it. And they actually gave me some to bring home because I thought my grandkids would like it. It's not chocolate and it's not red dye, so it's something they can eat. So it's a cup of butter, a cup of brown sugar, and a 16-ounce bag of marshmallows. So it's kind of like Rice Krispie treats, but with a lot more butter and some sugar in it. And the marshmallows really give it a creamy texture as well. But it's sticky, but not sticky. So like it holds it together, but you can see I'm touching it and it's not like sticky. It's kind of, the butter kind of just makes it creamy, but not extremely sticky, but it will still hold together. You can see it's kind of break it apart. So I will put the recipe on my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and type in popcorn caramel or popcorn marshmallow. That'll be better. And you can get this recipe and try it. It's so good and it's quick and easy, and it would make really nice treats for Christmas. You could put a little bit of food coloring in it or some flavoring if you wanted to make it, a little bit more festive. So check it out. Check out my other videos on my channel. There's over 500, all sorts of different things. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.